That's your way, Jamali. Lord, come down.
We should just have our ass. All we need is justice. Justice. And God.
And then Sean. He walked away in disbelief. Lord, I feel you left me.
I was so mad because you did this for love. I'm like, Lord.
I know. I didn't.
You know that.
I wasn't really signing. I was just interpreting what Justin said. Yeah. It was not signing. It was just interpretive dance. Okay.
And then it ends. He sat down and he couldn't find the words to say. These Seattleians are lost.
Seattleians?
And we need you today. It's time for a revival. It's time for a change. And even when it looks dark, even when it rains, Lord, we will see your love, even through the tears and through the pain. We will walk in boldness in you.
Stop. Stop playing. Seattleians.